Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to repair this OSMO handled gimbal. Well, actually what happened when I was turning on, it worked for a couple of seconds, then for some reason stopped working, then started to blink this light. First I thought there is some power failure, I don't know. Still the Bluetooth was active. I charged the battery again, same thing. And actually what I noticed when I checked this part, when I was trying to move, it wasn't moving smoothly, which could cause the problem. And I decided to just clean it up. Well, the most easiest way to clean it up, you don't even have to disassemble. What I did actually, I took the WD-40, okay, regular WD-40, and I kept this one like this, up direction, and with the nozzle I spray it right over here, if you can see, right in the corner. Okay, right over there. I did it a couple of times, twisted a couple of times, and guess what? Now it is very smooth, very smooth, and there is nothing wrong with that, and it is back to life again. Let me show you. Okay. All right. We've got it. It is in great working condition, as you can see. Well, thank you very much for watching, and good luck to you. I think it is so easy, you can bring your OSMO back to life. Again, remember, this was the part you have to clean, okay? For some reason, some dust gets inside, and that's what is causing the problem when the motor is trying to move it, and it becomes difficult for it. That's why automatically it shuts off. All right? Thank you. Bye-bye.